There she goes. Oh, he does.
Oh, he doesn't now.
He doesn't like it. Okay. Well, earlier she was pulling his leash, and he did now he's had enough. He's telling Isabella that he disagrees with that.
And she's saying, "Come follow me and let's play run around outside."
And he's there. Okay.
He did a lot of hopping around, Paul.
Mm-hmm.
He's cute.
She's speaking. And Chase is going, I disagree with that.
She's 5 months old.
Okay, she's 5 months old. And this is her little play partner. Chase is tough enough and strong enough to play with her. He's become quite her buddy. Right, honey?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. I'm going to quit, honey.